Welcome to an extraordinary exploration into the deep past and vibrant present of one of Earth's most iconic creatures, the bear. This journey will trace the captivating evolutionary history of these magnificent animals. We will uncover their lineage from ancient ancestors to the diverse species we know today. Our focus extends beyond contemporary challenges, delving into the profound geological and biological forces that shape them. This comprehensive narrative offers a unique perspective on their enduring legacy. Prepare to witness the remarkable transformation of bears across millions of years. Our story begins millions of years ago, long before the rise of modern humans. Fossil evidence provides an invaluable glimpse into this prehistoric world. These ancient remnants are the keys to understanding where bears first emerged. They reveal the earliest chapters of the bear's story. The earliest known bear-like creature, Perictus, appeared approximately 38 million years ago. This small, agile mammal was vastly different from its modern descendants. It roamed the forests of North America, resembling a raccoon more than a bear. Its existence marks the very beginning of the Ursid family tree. From Perictus, the lineage diversified, leading to species like Cephalogale in Europe and Asia. These early forms were generally smaller and more carnivorous than later bears. Their teeth and skeletal structures suggest a diet primarily of meat. They were adept hunters in their ancient ecosystems. A significant evolutionary step occurred with Ursus almensis, appearing around 20 million years ago. This species is often considered the common ancestor of all modern bears. It was roughly the size of a large dog, exhibiting features that foreshadowed later bear characteristics. Its fossil record is crucial for understanding the family's spread. The Miocene epoch, spanning from about 23 to 5.3 million years ago, was a period of significant diversification. During this time, the bear family, Ursidae, began to truly take shape. Different branches started to emerge, adapting to various ecological niches. This era laid the groundwork for the incredible diversity we see today. One notable early giant was Agriotherium, a massive bear that lived from the late Miocene to the early Pliocene. Weighing up to 900 kilograms, it was one of the largest land carnivores of its time. Its powerful build and robust teeth suggest a formidable predator. This ancient giant offers a stark contrast to many modern bears. Another fascinating prehistoric bear was Endangered, which also lived during the Miocene. This bear was widespread across Eurasia and North America. Its dental structure indicates a more omnivorous diet, a trait that would become characteristic of many later bear species. These early forms established the long and complex evolutionary journey of bears. The evolutionary timeline of the bear family is a testament to nature's adaptability. Over millions of years, bears have meticulously charted their development, responding to changing environments. This journey is marked by key evolutionary milestones and significant divergences. Each adaptation allowed bears to thrive in diverse and challenging habitats. Around 15 million years ago, the lineage leading to modern bears began to clearly separate. This period saw the emergence of distinct groups, each evolving specialized traits. The ancestors of spectacled bears, for instance, diverged early, adapting to South American environments. Their unique evolutionary path highlights regional specialization. The Pliocene epoch, from 5.3 to 2.6 million years ago, witnessed further diversification. During this time, the ancestors of brown bears and polar bears began to take shape. Climate shifts played a crucial role, driving new adaptations. Bears developed traits suited for colder climates and different food sources. One of the most iconic adaptations is seen in the polar bear, Ursus maritimus. This species diverged from brown bears relatively recently, perhaps as little as 150,000 years ago. Its evolution is a remarkable example of rapid adaptation to extreme Arctic conditions. Their specialized diet of seals and thick blubber are key survival mechanisms. Brown bears, Ursus arctos, exhibit an incredible range of adaptations across their vast distribution. From the small, omnivorous European brown bears to the massive Kodiak bears of Alaska, Their size and diet vary significantly. This adaptability has allowed them to colonize diverse environments, from forests to mountains. Their omnivorous nature is a key to their success. The American black bear, Ursus americanus, showcases adaptability to forested environments. They are highly arboreal, skilled climbers, and opportunistic feeders. Their ability to utilize a wide variety of food sources, from berries to insects, has contributed to their widespread success. They are a testament to generalist survival strategies. Giant pandas, Ailuropoda melanaluca, represent a unique evolutionary path within the bear family. Their diet consists almost exclusively of bamboo, a highly specialized adaptation. This dietary shift led to distinct dental and skeletal modifications. Their survival hinges on the availability of this specific food source. Sloth bears, Melursus ursinus, found in the Indian subcontinent, have evolved specialized features for feeding on insects. Their long, shaggy coats and unique lip structure help them suck up termites and ants. This niche specialization demonstrates how bears adapted to specific food resources. Sun bears, Helarctos melianus, the smallest bear species, are adapted to tropical rainforests. Their long claws and agile bodies are perfect for climbing trees in search of fruit and insects. Their nocturnal habits also reflect adaptations to their warm, humid environments. The spectacled bear, Tremarctos ornatus, is the only bear species native to South America. They are primarily arboreal and herbivorous, feeding on fruits, bromeliads, and cacti. Their adaptations allow them to thrive in the cloud forests and high-altitude regions of the Andes. Their unique facial markings give them their name. Throughout their evolution, bears have demonstrated remarkable resilience. Environmental changes, such as glacial cycles and shifts in vegetation, have continuously shaped their development. Their ability to adapt their diet, size, and behavior has been crucial for their survival. This ongoing process highlights the dynamic relationship between species and their environment. From the icy Arctic regions to lush tropical forests, bears have found ways to thrive. Their diverse forms and behaviors are a living testament to millions of years of natural selection. Each species represents a successful strategy for navigating specific ecological challenges. The bear family is a masterclass in evolutionary success. Beyond their scientific and biological significance, bears have held a profound place in early human cultures. For millennia, these powerful animals have captivated the human imagination. Their strength, intelligence, and sometimes human-like postures made them figures of awe and reverence. This deep connection is evident in ancient art and mythology. Depictions of bears are found in some of the earliest human artistic expressions. Cave paintings, such as those in Chauvet Cave in France, dating back over 30,000 years, feature detailed images of cave bears. These artworks suggest a deep spiritual or symbolic connection between early humans and these formidable creatures. They offer a window into ancient perceptions. Bears frequently appear in the mythological stories and folklore of indigenous peoples across the globe. In many Native American traditions, bears are seen as powerful healers, wise teachers, or ancestral spirits. They embody strength, courage, and introspection. These narratives often convey moral lessons or explain natural phenomena. In Norse mythology, the bear is associated with warriors and berserkers, symbolizing ferocity and untamed power. The word berserker itself is thought to derive from bear shirt. This connection highlights the bear's role as a symbol of primal strength and aggression. Such associations permeated early European cultures. Siberian cultures, particularly among groups like the Evenki and Nivk, held elaborate bear ceremonies. These rituals often involved the respectful hunting of a bear, followed by a feast and offerings. The ceremonies were believed to honor the bear's spirit and ensure continued prosperity. They underscore a complex relationship of respect and necessity. The reverence for bears often stemmed from their perceived similarities to humans. Their ability to stand upright, their omnivorous diet, and their parental care resonated with early human observers. These shared traits fostered a sense of kinship and mystery. Bears were often seen as intermediaries between the human and spirit worlds. Early humans interacted with bears in various ways, from hunting them for sustenance and fur to observing them for survival lessons. The knowledge gained from these interactions was vital for survival in shared territories. This long-standing relationship was one of both competition and profound respect. It shaped human perceptions for millennia. The cultural significance of bears adds a rich layer to their evolutionary narrative. It demonstrates that their impact extends far beyond their ecological role. Their presence in human consciousness is as ancient as our own species. This enduring connection highlights the deep bond between humanity and the natural world. Despite their long and successful evolutionary journey, bears today face unprecedented threats. Habitat loss, climate change, and human-wildlife conflict are pushing many species towards endangerment. Recognizing these challenges is the first step towards ensuring their future. The survival of bears now depends on concerted conservation efforts. Deforestation and urban expansion fragment bear habitats, isolating populations and reducing genetic diversity. This loss of space forces bears into closer contact with human settlements. Such encounters often lead to negative outcomes for both bears and people. Protecting and connecting wild spaces is paramount. Climate change poses a particularly severe threat, especially to species like the polar bear. Melting Arctic sea ice directly impacts their hunting grounds and ability to find food. Other species are affected by altered food availability and changes in hibernation patterns. Addressing global warming is critical for their survival. Poaching and illegal wildlife trade continue to decimate bear populations in many parts of the world. Bears are hunted for their gallbladders, paws, and other body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. Combating these illicit activities requires strong law enforcement and public awareness campaigns. International cooperation is essential. Human-wildlife conflict arises when bears and humans compete for resources or space. This can lead to bears being killed in self-defense or as a preventative measure. Education, responsible waste management, and coexistence strategies are vital to mitigate these conflicts. Learning to live alongside bears is a shared responsibility. Conservation initiatives worldwide are working tirelessly to protect bears and their habitats. These efforts include establishing protected areas, creating wildlife corridors, and implementing anti-poaching patrols. Scientific research also plays a crucial role in understanding bear ecology and informing conservation strategies. Data-driven approaches are key. Community engagement and education programs are essential for fostering coexistence. By raising awareness about bear behavior and the importance of conservation, these programs empower local communities. They transform potential conflicts into opportunities for shared stewardship. Local involvement is critical for long-term success. Rehabilitation centers care for orphaned or injured bears, preparing them for release back into the wild. Breeding programs for endangered species help boost population numbers. These direct interventions provide a lifeline for individual animals and contribute to species recovery. Every effort makes a difference. The story of bear evolution is a powerful reminder of nature's resilience and adaptability. From their humble beginnings as small, ancient mammals to the diverse predators and omnivores of today, bears have navigated immense environmental changes. Their journey spans millions of years, marked by incredible transformations. Understanding this profound evolutionary history is not merely an academic exercise. It serves as a crucial call to action for the present and future. By appreciating the long and complex path that brought bears to their current form, we gain a deeper respect for their intrinsic value. This knowledge fuels our commitment to their protection. Our responsibility now is to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue their evolutionary journey. We must safeguard their habitats, mitigate threats, and foster a harmonious coexistence. The future of bears, from prehistoric giants to modern-day predators, rests in our hands. Let us work together to secure their place in the world for generations to come.